How to boost microphone volume in Windows 11. I will show the perfect method. So let me start the video. So here come to the window, and here the this is a speaker logo, or you can see icon. Just click on it, and here go to the settings. So here we have the settings. Now come to the systems and go to the sounds. Okay, come to the system, go to the sounds, and here just scroll down and you can see the option called more sound setting. Just click on it. Now we have these sound options. So for microphone we need to go in recording tab. So under the recording you can see this is your active microphone device. Okay, so what you can do, just select that and go to the property. Here we have the some tabs like general, listen, custom, lever. So we need to go in lever and increase or decrease that level. So if you want to boost that microphone value, just boost like this by 100% and just apply it. Okay, and then again apply here. Okay, so here you can boost your microphone volume. This is a method. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.